Hello everyone, this is Arthur Rosales, and I'm here to show you how to find easement using ArcMap GIS. GIS is mostly provided by your employer looking to obtain property, or you can also find this at Lake County mygisonline.com, and it will give you free software to find easements. After you open up the page, this is exactly what you'll see. This is a great tool to find who owns what and their information. Either you're a vacant lot investor or a utility company looking to expand your facilities. This will determine if your next project will be completed. So first thing you want to do is right in the left hand corner, we're going to type in an address. So what the address say we're working on is the Carson's building located in Hammond, Indianapolis. So that address is 6600 Indianapolis Boulevard in Hammond, Indiana. Because it is restricted to just Lake County, you might not have to type in the city. There we go. So now that we've typed in the address, you can see this is our highlighted in blue is our location. On the top right corner, you see our results. So owner information, site information. And you can see this is an address with the location, city, tax code, tax description, legal description, and acres. And some of the other stuff, more if you need it, it's like the township ring. Now that we got the property, some of our useful tools that we can use is on the left corner, we have home. So this will actually default to the state of Indiana. Here is our location. You can track location. So say for example, you're on the project and you need to be you need to know where you're located by that specific property. You can allow your tracking, but since I'm working from home, we won't be using that right now. And we also have our good zoom in tool. So you can zoom in by going up, zoom out by going down. So we'll go back to our property. So you see, if you can't see there, you can just go back to your search and press enter again. You should be able to find it. And then we have our useful tools in the middle. So we have the cursor, so we can select what properties you need to find. So say you need to find this one, it tells you exactly on the results. And you can unselect it. So say if you're looking for a property next door, you'll go back to that cursor. That's it. Like, remember, it says press down to start and let go, so it means you would hold down your left click on the mouse and then drag, and then it tells you exactly the owner of that property. So this is also a good useful tool. So say for example you needed to find easement for say 3 property lots. So best thing you would do is select the cursor. Say we're going to start from Carson's, and we'll drag all the way across to the next 3 buildings, and then you'll let go. So now we found easement for Walmart in Hammond, another Walmart again, and City of Hammond Development Commission. So these are the results for these 3 properties. And if you click ID, that is just to ID that specific property. Now that we know our property information, we're going to zoom in a little bit closer here. So say if our project consists of putting street lights right in this area. Let's see if we can move it a little bit. What we can do, when you click on the measurement, we have a measurement toolbar, one for area, one for distance, and one for location. So this is a great tool if you are, like I said, putting doing a lot of work in construction, or updating or installing facilities in areas that are not owned by you or your company. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a ruler. So say for example, I was looking into installing, say, 5 streetlights. So I'm going to zoom in on a street. Let's go a little bit closer here. And we're going to put the ruler here. I'm going to select the ruler. I'm going to drop it on the street. You see, click once, it would drag. And then you click again to stop. Then we're going to go down all the way to the street here. Click again to stop. Like I said, we're going to put street lights on both sides, just an example of the road. So we'll go here, and then we're going to create our kind of like a rectangle. And then we select again. So now this is, make sure you double click to close it. Now this is telling me the results came up as 0.89 acres of easement. So this is the area that we will be using. Another great way, if you're out in the field and you need to find your distance from there, we can go to your distance tool. We'll go back to the same area, click once, click again to stop, create that triangle right here, and we'll go back here and make sure you close it. Click twice. So this is telling me approximately 1,252 feet of easement is measured that we will be using. Another great way too, if you don't know exactly where you're at, you can select areas where you'll be located, and it tells you your longitude and latitude. So then you can go into your maps and find the exact location. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to find easement using ArcMap GIS. Thank you.